Hi team, Chris from New Zealand. Today we show you a Lawmaster X7 on the Faktani test site and show you how that the all-wheel drive machine with two big wheels in the front and steerer and driver in the back can actually turn sideways on a hill, or absolutely accurate with no slippage, no loss of control. Absolutely awesome. It's just unbelievable what that mower can do. I compare that with my trusted Luba. It's a Luba 1 with unidirectional wheels, and as you can see, the Luba cutting sideways, which is probably not the preferred way for Luba to do that kind of job. I would call what I see on the screen loss of control, and the reason that happens is the unidirectional wheels in front, which will fight the back axle, and the force that weight of the machine has will sort of drag the machine always, or the front of the machine always downhills, and therefore sort of it needs to make those corrections and start with the slippage to do a lot of damage to the lawn. Simple as that. Anyhow, any questions, give us a ring and have a great day. Thank you.